And at that time, also Parameshwar revealed to you that you have a great will persistence. So, this time also, when I was scanning, what I could see first was that you still need to align your will and intensify it. Persistently intensify it. See, what happens is usually when we will for something, we naturally lose the will once we, like, for example, okay, I try jumping, let me say, like, I try jumping 3 feet higher than my normal height, and I'm not able to do it in my first try. So, maximum what I do, 2 3 times I tried and then I give up. So that is the mistake that most of us do. Instead, with will persistence, when we try, push ourselves, and try it again and again and again, it will naturally happen. And it will have to happen because the will becomes under your control. This will persistence thing is one thing, and apart from that, you just need to look at the right source from where exactly you can get what you want to contribute for this Shyamala Peetam. Whether it is your time, talent, treasure, whatever it might be. But all you need to do is to look at the right source. You do have lots of resources to be able to contribute. Just look at the right resources and you will make it within this week itself.
That was a very beautiful revelation. So now, like as she was telling, just aligning the will to what the purpose is intended for. That itself makes so much of changes in life, and literally you will see that you will become an SJP Yajaman like within this week, as Mamaya Priya was stating. So now, with this, we'll be ending today's Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna. And as I've been reading out Swamiji's latest post, the essence of Swamiji's latest post, do check it on his personal wall on Facebook. His profile name is Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Do read it out yourself, as when someone reads it out, they experience some type of shift within themselves, whether it can be as small as what contributions are being made or what things are happening in the Shyamala Pita, Sarvagnya Pita. Something will be happening in you because it's the source's connection with you. So read it out once and do share it. Make it as viral as you can to all your friends, family, and groups.
So, with this, I would like to share Swamiji's blessings to all of you to be able to make it happen and contribute to this Shyamala Peetam. Get deified and join Kailasha. So, thank you all for witnessing this Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna. With this, we offer our gratitude at the feet of Paramashiva and Parashakti in the form of His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you, Nityananda.
Nityananda.
The next offering of today's Uttamottama Seva is the offering of Tirukailaya Vadyam. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव तिरुकैलाय वाद्य प्रिय तिरुकैलाय वाद्यम अवधारय.
Have patience. इधर इधर 3 minutes over. और 30 seconds ಕೂಡ ಇರಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 minutes. Five.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
offering during the Uttama Seva is the offering of sacrifice. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Sangeeta Priya Sangeeta Avadharaya Nityanandam Paramasubham Kevalam Jnanamurtim Udvaivatītam Gaganasdrisham Tattvamasyādhilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamacharam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatītam Tripuraritam Sadgurum Namami Nityananda 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 Jagadudharaka Nityananda 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 Jagadudharaka Nityananda तुम हो मेरे प्राण भक्त सखा तुम हो मेरे प्राण भक्त सखा माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा भगवान माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा नित्यानंदा नित्यानंदा जगत उद्धारक नित्यानंदा 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 माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा तुम ही जीवन का सार हो नित्यानंदा तुम ही जीवन का सार नित्यानंदा माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा भगवान माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा नित्यानंदा नित्यानंदा जगत उद्धारक नित्यानंदा जगत उद्धारक नित्यानंदा जगत उद्धारक नित्यानंदा माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा भगवान माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा नित्यानंदा नित्यानंदा जगत उद्धारक नित्यानंदा 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 जगत उद्धारक नित्यानंदा तुम हो मेरे प्राण भक्त सखा तुम हो मेरे भक्त सखा माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा भगवान माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा भगवान माता पिता गुरु प्राण सखा
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
The next offering during Uttamottama Seva is the offering of Nitya Seva. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव नृत्यप्रिय नृत्यमवधारय. The best way to connect to the Master, to connect to your Guru, to align to him, Swamiji says, is by always connecting back, thinking back, reflecting back, whether your actions are aligned to him in the sense, while you're eating, would your Guru eat this way? While you're walking, would your Guru walk this way? While you're dancing, would your Guru dance this way? Every time, by just questioning and aligning yourself by doing every action, if your Guru did the same action, makes it easier for us to always choose the right over the pleasant. The struggle to choose the right over the pleasant becomes a smooth, joyful journey when you always remember the Guru, remember Swamiji, aligning all your actions to how he would do them. One story from Bhagavan's life, when he performed the Girivalam of the Arunachalam, circumambulation of the Arunachalam hill, he comes across a cremation ground where a dead body is burning. It was a full moon night, and he sees that few parts of the body was half burnt, the head was separated from the body. Seeing this whole scene, even before fear or any other emotion could take over Swamiji's body, he immediately thought, if Annamalai Swamigal would have been in this place, what would he have done? He would have just walked around it. And he simply just did that. Remembering the Master, remembering your Guru in every moment of your life makes every decision, every powerful cognition much easier and a smooth, frictionless journey.
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द